You have now the NIA over to the farmers' protest, right? A day after the crucial hearing in the Supreme Court over Farmers' Republic Day tractor rally. The National Investigative Agency has now summoned 40 persons in connection with the Sikh for Justice case. On top of the list is Punjabi actor Deep Sidhu and farmer leader Baldev Singh Sirsa. Both Sidhu and Sirsa accuse the NIA of working on the direction of the government to pressurize them. In fact, they accuse the government of targeting people associated with the farmers' protest. Farmer leaders are currently holding discussions at the Singhu border over NIA's summons. NIA has questioned them in a matter pertaining to December 15, 2020 FIR, which was registered after a complainant from the MHA, a complaint there that was filed from the MHA. The FIR says that SFJ Khalistanis have infiltrated farmers' stir to create fear and lawlessness. The FIR also says that huge funds are being collected to fund terrorist acts in India. Meanwhile, so far, Farmers' Republic Day tractor rally is on cards. Supreme Court will hear the government's plea against the tractor rally. However, hundreds of farmers took out the tractor rally rehearsals in several parts of Haryana and Punjab.
ਸਾਡੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੇ ਲੰਗਰ ਲਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦੋਸਤ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਬਾਹਰਲੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ, ਹਰਿਆਣੇ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ, ਮਹਾਰਾਸ਼ਟਰ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਿਧਾਂਤ ਹੀ ਦਸਵੰਧ ਕੱਢਣ ਦਾ। ਉਹ ਆਪਦਾ ਦਸਵੰਧ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਲੰਗਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਆ। ਇਹ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੀ ਫੰਡਿੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਸ਼ਿਤ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਫੰਡਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ, ਵੀ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਫੋਰਨ ਫੰਡਿੰਗ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਆ। ਫੋਰਨ ਫੰਡਿੰਗ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਆ? ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ? ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਾਬਤੇ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ, ਉਹ ਜਾਬਤੇ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ, ਕੋਈ ਜਾਨ ਦਾ, ਕੋਈ ਮਾਲ ਦਾ, ਕਿਸੇ ਢੰਗ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨੀਵੇਂ ਥਾਂ ਭਾਲਿਓ।
National Investigation Agency and its successive chiefs have been puppets in the hands of the government, and evidence of which I have placed in public domain for you on multiple occasions. The same puppet agency NIA, CBI, ED, Income Tax. These are frontal organizations of the Bharatiya Janata Party and not the statutory bodies that they are supposed to be. Regrettably, Prime Minister Modi and BJP leaders are out to prove that all farmers, 62 crore farmers of this country, are terrorists, are militants, are Naxalites, are agents of China and Pakistan. But these fake notices of a puppet agency like NIA to farmers will not deter them, nor will cow them down or bow them down.
हमारी अपेक्षा है कि किसान 19 तारीख को क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज चर्चा करें। वो रिपील के अलावा क्या विकल्प चाहते हैं, वो विकल्प सरकार के सामने प्रस्तुत करें, तो सरकार जरूर पूरी गंभीरता के साथ उनकी समस्या पर, उनकी आपत्ति पर विचार करने को खुले मन से तैयार है।
We're cutting across to Kamaljeet Sandhu reporting live from Delhi. Kamaljeet, here's the NIA who summoned a bunch of people, at least 40 of them, who are part of the farmers' protests. Of course, while they are trying to probe Khalistani links infiltrated into these protests, and here you have the farmers saying that this is just a ploy by the government to try and break the protests, the spirit of the protesters. And it's not true. Khalistanis are not infiltrating, and this is just aspersions cast by the centre using the NIA. That's the allegation.
So there are allegations and counter-allegations. This pertains to the December 15th FIR registered by the NIA on complaint of Ministry of Home Affairs. The allegations are that there is input which suggests that Khalistanis, or per se groups like SFJ or Sikh for Justice, are trying to create disaffection against the government of India. They are also trying to pump in money through the NGOs, which have actually now reached agitations. This is the mere allegation. But what is important and significant is that those who've been summoned, and at least 40 of them on Sunday and on Monday, and to our knowledge, nobody really has turned up for the questioning of the NIA. But significantly, a large chunk of them are farmer leaders and Sikh activists. This has obviously not gone down well. Some of the farmers have said in the next meeting with the centre they will raise this issue. Today, the effigy of NIA was burnt in Singhu border. there seems to be a lot of voices. And today, Randeep Surjewala, exclusively speaking to us after the press conference, said that the Home Ministry should look into the aspect, because even if they are making allegation of Khalistani hand, why are they taking so much time? Why are they not arresting those people rather than tarnishing the entire farmer agitation, which would be doing a great disservice, because these farmers have a certain demand. They are already in talks with the government. So in that sense, there seems to be a large support coming in from the opposition parties as far as the farmers are concerned. The farmers in turn are not too happy. We saw the likes of Deep Sidhu, journalist Jasveer, all of them, they had been tweeting about, they have been talking about it. There are several live posts. There are obviously questions being raised about whether the timing of the NIA investigation is the same as the farmer agitation, and what does it really try and prove. Now, we've been speaking to some of our sources both in the NIA and the Punjab police, and they've been saying there are certain radical elements, but again, it's the question of the timing, and that not going down well with the farmer. Will it really further create more wedge between the farmers and the government? That now needs to be seen before the talks of January 19th, which is just 2 days away from now.
Kamaljeet, thank you very much for joining us and sharing those details. The NIA has now summoned at least 40 farmer leaders in connection with Khalistani links, and they've skipped the summons. They're all in a huddle now trying to discuss what next.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.